Please, what I ice cream, small. Which big ice cream? I'm going to buy a small ice cream and big buy. I want you to.
Jesus. I wish to. Also, I know they are stupid. God, this is something. Jesus.
It's my birthday. You are my birthday. It's your birthday.
What is it? What is it now? Tell me, what is it? What is it?
I think my leg just got dislocated.
Does it hurt?
What kind of question is that? Please take me home. Baby girl. Please, I'm so sorry. I didn't know this would happen.
It's okay. It's okay. Please take her home. Let me go to the fast food and get those things myself. Okay? It's okay. Can you at least walk home? Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you.
So sorry.
It's her fault. It's her fault. Why only her all the time? I will not beat her as well. Please. That's why I hate going out with her. She always makes us inferior as if we are nothing.
Stop it. Stop it. That is wrong. It is not her fault.
It's her fault.
Please. It's not her fault. Eh? Look now, the girl was about taking us out. Now you spoiled the whole fun. Ha!
Yes.
May I remind you that today is her birthday?
You're a fool. Big fool for that matter. Eh? What is she going to buy for us that we can't afford? Eh? A poor girl from a poor home that became fortunate.
It's jealousy that will kill you.
Let it kill me.
Jealousy will kill you.
Let it kill me.
See her head.
Don't know anything. Fool.
Hi. What's up? My name is Mark. Beautiful girl. What's your name?
You said my name already. Why are you still asking?
Oh, I just called you beautiful just to describe everything that I'm saying. I want to know your real name.
Well, my name is Lucy. Can I go on with what I'm doing now?
Sure, why not? But wait, are you here all by yourself or you came with someone?
As you can see, I'm all alone. I came here to pick up few things for my girlfriends and I'll be rushing back to the hostel.
Hostel? That means you're a student. Wow, that's good. So what's going on? This one you came to pick things for your friends. What are you guys celebrating?
It's my birthday.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Your birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much.
If you don't mind, I could give you a treat.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. That's what they do.
Oh, I can't wait. Well, please, can I invite my friends?
Your friends? That is not a problem. Invite everybody you know.
Thank you very much.
Thank
you.
It's nothing. It's nothing.
I'll be right back.
Oh, you're going to invite them now? I'll be here eating.
morning yet?
No, it's 2 a.m. in the morning. Yes.
2 a.m. Yeah. So
I'm sick and we need to rush her to the hospital now, please.
no.
What?
I said no. No. Look, listen, God cannot keep punishing me with that child. You hear me? It's time for God to make a decision on her life. You should either take her or heal her. You should choose one.
Why are you saying anything like this?
God, allow me to sleep now, woman.
And we can't watch our daughter die like that!
Please, I had a very long day. Oh, tomorrow will even be longer. Allow me to sleep.
It's not fair. This is not fair. My daughter cannot die like that!
Financial woman, she's so sexy, you can't deny it. She's so hot, she's a diva, she's so sexy and so tempting. Check up nigga, check a nigga, I know my jet guys.
This is nice. Easy.
Quiet, eat, enjoy.
Thank you so much. I said, this is the best birthday so far. Everything is in contour.
You can say that again, baby.
I want your birthday to be coming up at least 3 times a year.
See this one. Holy Kobo.
No, don't tell me that.
Fully of charge, Madam FOC General.
You don't want to use beef and kill Lucy.
Thunder fire you there. What's the meaning of this now? Please, talk the one you know.
Am I lying? Lucy, let me tell you, this girl is jealous of you. They use jealousy to kill you.
Stop it. Please stop it. What's the meaning of this? Are you crazy or something? Huh? You want to come in between my friendship with Lucy? Lucy, what is girl? What is girl?
Please, girls, please. Today is still my birthday and fighting is not allowed. Please. Listen, we're friends. I will continue to be friends, do things together, watch our backs, okay? Very soon we'll leave this campus. Yeah! And when we live here, we'll still have need for each other. I believe we'll still have need for each other, okay?
Yeah!
So please, forget whatever beef anybody has for anybody, forget it. Enjoy! It's my birthday! Yeah!
I'll not be back till quite late today. So, use this to sort yourself out with your daughter. I cannot kill myself because I have a daughter who has resorted to one sickness or the other. You need a break.
Are you walking out of me and our daughter? Why? The man has done nothing to you to deserve it.
Stop crying.
haven't told me where we're going for honeymoon.
Where would you want us to go?
Would that be?
Abu Dhabi. But I have somewhere in mind.
Where?
Guess.
I don't know.
I'm taking you to call about 30 days, no family, no work, just you and I.
Oh my goodness. Baby!
So you know what we're gonna be doing for 30 days?
No, I don't know. You're the best!
Really?
I love you.
Too.
Yeah, come in. Oh, baby!
Chill.
You kept me waiting.
I'm so sorry, babe. I ran into traffic.
I will have sent my daughter to pick you up. Please come to bed. Come to bed. Mon, that is no problem at all. You do cash?
No, chill. Okay, Chief, I just sent you my digits. As soon as I get an alert, I'll be all yes.
Okay. Yeah, done. So come to bed.
Chill.
I can't do it.
Chill. Have you really taken your time to look at me?
No. Wow. Ew. Again.
Chill. I should try again.
Yeah.
Chill.
Oh my God.
Chill.
You are the chief. You are in control. You are the chief. Please. Come to bed. You are the chief. Lucy. Come to bed. Please come. You are the chief. Oh, wonderful.
Chill.
Jide, will I kill myself? Huh? Will I kill myself, Jide?
No, but abandoning your wife and daughter is not the right thing to do. You should still have hope.
Look, I've been having hope for so long. For a very long time, I've been having hope. 3 years. 3 good years, this little girl has been taking me from one hospital to the other. And while I was doing all these things, ego and money, I'm losing money. Believe me, I've lost all my customers. Right now, my entire business is going down the drain. Why? Because she keeps taking me around. I can't even focus on my business and make good money. It's not fair now.
No, I will tell you that your wife needs you now. Now, especially when everything has fallen apart. You shouldn't leave her alone in this.
I'm not planning to leave. I'm still with her. I'm still living in the house now. We're there together. My point is very simple. She should just leave that girl, that little girl. Just leave her. Let the little girl and her maker decide her fate. Simple. One day, you're making me talk too much. I came out here so we can drink and have a good time. You understand? But I just want to cool my head and... Yay.
You offer?
Don't
you're looking at this pretty girl that just walked in when you have some important things to worry about.
Will I kill myself? Is it my fault that my marriage is having issues? Will I look around again? You, if you didn't look, how do you see?
You're still looking at her. You're looking like you play with an old man. You left. So how far?
Wow. Rita, what are you doing with Lucy's bag?
Ethel, I'm trying to unravel a mystery.
What mystery?
Ethel, something tells me that Lucy is using a charm, and I intend to find it wherever she's keeping it.
Don't go and give yourself high BP. Being jealous. What's wrong with you? The girl is beautiful and attractive. So, what is wrong with you? You need to concentrate on your studies and leave all this Lucy and mystery, whatever business. What's wrong with you?
See, men come my way, but no rich ones. All the rich ones divert their attention to Lucy. Upon all my swan, they hardly come my way. No. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Ha!
Yes, my darling, something is wrong and something is wrong with you.
Huh?
Yes, something is wrong with you and your head, something is wrong with you.
Amibo, clap for yourself.
You come here, Amibo.
I said clap for yourself. Just look at you, eh? If you be saying that you senior Lucy, Lucy not be your mate, now you senior and they the mumu yourself.
I am going to tell her.
Fool.
I'm going to tell Lucy when she gets back.
You can't be a idiot. Cook up all her no power.
So sexy, you can financial woman. She's so sexy, you can't deny it. She's so hot.
Hey, pretty. Hello. Sorry to disturb you. Can I be a friend? I mean, I just can't watch this beautiful girl step aside. You are so damn fine.
Thank you very much. Can I go now?
No, darling. I don't know. I just can't help. Can I be a friend? Please.
Sorry, sweetie. I don't shake strangers. Sorry.
I understand, but after now I won't be a stranger no more. Please, God, you are gorgeous. Please, I can't help. I just want to be a friend, please. All I want is, trust me, I'm harmless.
So, what do you really want?
Your number, please.
That's all.
Yeah. Well, we can start from there, please. All right.
She's so sexy, so sexy, you can't deny it. The front is hot, the back is dangerous. The front is hot, say that I know. She's so hot, she's a diva.
Baby, what took you so long?
You said what? What do you mean by what took you so long? Were you not supposed to carry the things yourself? You left it for your houseboy.
Baby, come on. Okay, fine. I'm sorry.
You're not eating your food.
Mom, my head hurts.
I'm sorry. Okay? You are supposed to be in the hospital by now. But I don't know. Your dad. Your body's hot. Angel, let me get you paracetamol. Okay? What kind of stupid man is he? Eh?
Cynthia, please reduce your voice. My husband might come in now and he will hear your voice, please. I don't want that.
Let him come in. I don't care. He is a coward. And only cowards leave their sick children to their wives. I mean, this is insane. That child needs medical attention. He can't just leave her just like that.
He said her sickness has lingered. I'm so confused right now.
Is it her fault? Huh? Who will wish sickness upon him or herself? He shouldn't talk that nonsense. He should take responsibility of that child. Have you called these people?
No. You know he's not in good terms with his people, Cynthia. Cynthia, I don't know what to do. Okay. I am tired.
My dear, you don't need to be confused. He's your husband. Let him take up his responsibility and stop fooling around.
And who is fooling around? Hey, wait. Who is fooling around? In my own house? You came here to insult me? In my own house?
I came to your house to make common sense. I mean, leaving your child is the most insane thing I've ever had a man do.
This insane thing I want to teach you something. Get out of the house! Let me see you here again. When in my house you're telling me, and you brought your friend here to insult me, right? You brought her here to insult me in my own house. I'll still deal with you.
Oh God! God. I have not done anything to this man. This is not fair. Neither my daughter. Why so heartless?
What do you want to do?
You want to join you on the bed?
No, don't join me. Because I want to have a very peaceful, very peaceful night rest, please. You join me now, midnight, you wake me up and tell me Can I vomit or running temperature? Having a headache or something? Because let me sleep.
Hey honey, she's your own child too.
Yes, I know. But I have tried. Could I kill myself? There is nothing I've not done for her as a father. Name it. Nothing. I've taken her to almost all the hospitals in this town. Yet what keeps happening? She keeps getting sick. One sickness or the other. Or killing. That's why I knelt down and I prayed to God. I said, God, may your will be done in her life. Allow me.
Honey, you are killing this child before her own time by neglecting her. She needs you. Kaima needs your attention right now. She needs your attention. She needs your attention.
That's why I've called on God to give her that attention that she needs. I told God, I said, take her. If you cannot heal her, take her and give us another one. You look at me, you see I've lost faith. Go and sleep with her, please.
Mom.
Yes?
Why does Dad hate me?
Angel, Dad doesn't hate you. Okay? And he will never do. Yes?
If he doesn't, why is he staying away from me? I've been observing him lately. He hardly come close to me like before.
Going through trying period. Yes. But very soon he will give you attention you deserve. Okay?
I know you're lying. All is not well. And it's because of my sickness.
No. No. Your sickness doesn't have anything to do with this. Okay? Just that life out there is very tough for your dad.
How are you? Good afternoon.
Have we met before?
Yes and no. Actually, I've seen you before, but I don't think you saw me. I saw you in a fast food joint restaurant. My name is Leonard, but you can call me Leo. I have money. I don't know if you know.
I see you don't want to feel intimidated.
Oh no. I don't. I usually don't feel intimidated anywhere. It never happens. And this I can get you a car if you want. Yes.
You can get me a car?
Immediately. I can do it right now. Just now. As long as you give me. As long as you give me access to this thing, let me. I'm not going to give us your son.
Oh, Galileo, you're very funny. Well, since you say you have money, I can give you my digits.
Immediately now, let me show you a bit of what I can do. Call it. Call your account number.
Okay, 00
That's it. The account, right? It's done. Take a look. Let me see.
50,000 naira. Now it was serious.
I'm not joking. I told you.
nothing, you know. As long as you give me access to this thing, let me taste this thing you are carrying.
Okay. Now I know you're serious and need you pay willingly. So I'll think about it.
Yeah. You think about it? What are you thinking about? I mean, I just showed you what I can do. I was expecting that, you know, the moment you see this thing, you tell me let's go somewhere so you can show me what you can do.
Take it easy.
Yeah.
Take it easy. Yeah, so chill. Yeah? Let me give you my phone number.
Oh, okay.
Financial woman. She's a financial lady. She's so sexy. You can financial woman. She's so sexy. You can't deny it. She's so hot. She's a diva. She's so sexy and so tempting. Check him, nigga. Check him, nigga. On the budget, guys. On the budget, man. On the budget, guys. On the budget, man. Financial woman. She's a financial lady. Financial woman.
It's like you don't remember this face.
No, I'm sorry.
It's me now, Mark. The guy that took you and your friends to that fast food joint. I almost put down everything now. I was spending money that day.
Oh, I remember. Oh, bros, you're funny. Look at just the way you just said you bought everything for me and my friends. As if you bought the whole world for me.
No, I said almost.
Anyway, so what can I do?
Nothing much. It's just that day you forgot to give me your money. Yes. So, those are the things now that the millions we are talking right now, you don't have it. Why don't you tell me now? What is phone? Eh? So what kind of phone do you use?
I used Samsung S6 Edge. But I want to upgrade to S7 because that's the ish right now. That's the in thing.
S7 is the in thing. It's not even up to 8. I can get it for you. Smart thing.
Are you serious?
You don't know me.
Oh.
I didn't vex.
Really?
Yes, now. Yes, my love.
So, what are you getting me?
I can buy it right away.
You don't
it's
say.
Just to use it here, man. It's right there.
Oh, sweetie, I love you so much. Yes, you know what? Yeah. I owe you one. Just listen. Just take a look at this. It's what you can get. Yeah, S7. S7. S7.
Can we go now? Buy this too?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah,
let's this one again.
What's that? Ha! You expect me to enter that club? And then you go tell my club.
No, listen. You are the escape and the case. It's just because of air. Sometimes you disguise. You know, we are carrying so much money. We don't let people know. Let's just enjoy the game. Come. Are you sure? Yeah. Yes, sir.
financial woman. She be financial lady. She's so sexy. You can financial woman. She's so sexy. You can't deny it. She's so hot. She's a diva. She's so sexy and so tempting.
Come in. Hi.
You're home.
Yeah, she is. Welcome. What are you doing here, man?
I came to see you.
I have told you to stop coming here. So what are you doing here?
Oh, come on. I've been missing you. That's why I came here to see you, right?
To hell with you. Missed who?
You.
Take it easy. You're talking to a man. Who is the man?
No, let me tell you. I brought this to show you that I appreciate you. And at the same time to apologize for everything I've done to you. Please. You mean everything to me, huh?
Bread and juice?
Not just ordinary bread, honey bread.
That's all you could afford for a woman you claim to love? You see why I hate you? You keep disgracing me. Get out.
Huh?
Get out.
You mean I should get you?
I said get out! Hey! Thunder fire you there. Are you crazy or something? Yeah? In Ireland, boyfriend but work. Rich men will not see me. This good for nothing idiot will be pestering my life.
So you've not stopped your attitude of I wanna be. Lucy's wanna be.
Please get out.
God have mercy.
Financial woman. She's so sexy. You can't deny it. She's so hot. She's a diva.
What's the meaning of that rubbish?
Excuse me.
I'm talking, where you running to? Where are you running? Huh? Why would you leave me in the hotel and just go like that? Huh?
Man, please, who are you?
You are asking me. After buying you Samsung, this phone you are holding, who bought it? I'm asking you now. You just listen, if you don't want problem, everything I spent on you, just give me my money. Let me live here.
Like I asked you before, who are you? Because I've not met your type before.
Sweetheart, please, can you take care of this thing for me? He's embarrassing me. I don't like it. I don't like it, please.
It's okay, I will handle it, okay?
Please do.
Is something wrong with you? Hey. No, sir, just listen to me, Mr. Man, or what you call yourself. I don't know. I hope you don't want to spend the next 7 days in prison. Huh? So please take my advice and step aside.
Let me explain to you. This is not...
Just take aside.
It has nothing to do with prison. If anybody should go to prison, she should go to prison. I bought her that phone now. But Oga, you said your phone, you've been calling her, you don't even ask her if she has phone or not. Oga, try to understand this thing now. What is wrong with you now, Lucy? You are just...
She's so sexy, you can't financial woman. She's so sexy, you can't deny it. She's so hot, she's a diva. She's so sexy.
No. Is my eye deceiving me? Wait, has it gotten to the extent of you locking up a shop? What is wrong with this man, for Christ's sake? God! I'll have to call him now, Rick. What is wrong with Leo now? Hi. His number is not reachable. But wait, how can a responsible man lock up his shop at this hour of the day? This guy must have lost some of his customers. Who knows what this guy is up to again? Bacon. What do I do? Should I go to his house? Or where do I meet him now? Let me just go. I'll call him later. Responsible man at this hour of the day. Said to lock up his shop. This is crazy. I will have to find out what's going on.
Peter, please, I'm looking for one of my designer pants. Tommy, to be precise. It has a black and white spotlight design.
Have you checked everywhere?
I've turned the room upside down. It's not there.
Are you serious?
See the pants I'm wearing.
And you can also check my page. You know I can't take your stuff.
It's okay. It's fine. I just want to make sure that all the students don't come inside this place to steal our things while we are awake. You understand? Rita, you're not saying anything. Did you see the pants?
What kind of question is that? Yeah? Please, I'm not with your pants.
Just show her the one you're wearing and let her search your things.
Hey, are you insane on something?
Excuse me.
I said I'm not with her pants. Please. I said I'm not with her pants. I'm not with her.
What did you? That's the pants I'm looking for.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. Rita, are you denying it? Is this not my pants?
It's not your pants. Are you the only one that knows where they're selling it? It's not your pants.
Can you imagine? Rita, when did you start wearing designer's pants? Rita! Hey! Baby, they form my hand.
That's big time.
What did they worry you? Are we not friends? Are we not like family here? You should have asked me and I'll gladly give it to you instead of stealing from me. Ha!
I'm sorry.
later. Please don't give me reason not to trust you anymore as a friend. So now, it's no more her men. You're not stealing out. Don't move yourself. Yeah. You ready?
Oh, yes, I'm ready.
Okay.
Oh. This first. Alright, here you go.
200 naira. Who will I do with 200 naira?
Well, woman, you can see I'm all dressed and ready for work. If you don't know what to do with 200 naira, let me give you an advice. Maybe you just don't pay to the dustbin because I don't have time for such useless questions.
How can you give me 200 naira? What do you think I will buy with 200 naira? Tell me.
Unfortunately, that is all I can afford. If you don't know what to do with it, like I told you, don't pay to the dustbin, or maybe you show it, because that is all I can afford. Okay? I'm out.
So why did you come back to me?
Because I cannot do without you. If I'm sleeping, if I'm awake, anything I do, I don't want to stop thinking about you. You are the sweetest, you are the dopest, you are the sexiest, you are the everything, all the please. Help me now.
I'm the sweetest, the dopest, the sexiest, the this one, the that one. And you had the guts to insult me, to humiliate me before a friend. Me, Lucy. Did you look at me very well?
Anything you want me to, just ask. I promise you.
Wait. Did I hear you say anything?
Yes, now, anything. Just mention it. I'll do it.
Okay. As you can see, I don't have any wristwatch on me. So, I want a gold wristwatch.
A gold wristwatch?
Yes, you heard me. Gold wristwatch. The highest grade. Get it for me, and I will listen to you. Until then, stay away from me.
Uncertainty, check up nigga, check a nigga, hey, I know my check guys.
Mark, I want to ask you a question. What are you still doing in Asaba? I thought you were supposed to be in Lagos to get goods for a shop.
Yes, but you see, something came up. I'm having little issues.
Issues? What kind of issues, Mark?
It's nothing serious. It's just that, don't worry, forget about it. But I need you to borrow me like 100,000 naira. I need to fix one or two things.
Borrow you 100,000? No, are you serious? Now let me ask you, what happened to your 100,000?
So, my money is still there now. It's just that I have little shortage. I need to complete it. It's 100,000 naira. That's all. That's why I want you to borrow me. I'll pay you back.
Okay, fine. Now let me ask you,
what happened to your 100,000? Okay, let me just tell you because you're my friend. See, I went to this fast food joint tonight. Man, I saw this girl. Sweet chocolate with all the nice figure. You see her ass, her shape, she's bad. Save it, Mark! Now I see where your 100,000 went into. Mark, you are just starting this business and you're already looking at women. Now you don't even have money to buy goods. Ah, Mark, I am so ashamed of you. No, I am totally ashamed of you. How could you? A business you're just starting, now you're spending on women. Mark, I'm so disappointed at you. It's okay. Before you start to insult me, it's okay. So because I asked you for common 100,000 naira, that's why you're starting. It's okay, forget about it. Can you listen to yourself? No, can you listen to yourself? Mark, you're not ashamed of yourself.
Do you know that Leo no longer opens the shop? I have passed there severally and the shop is locked. I really don't know what's wrong with your husband.
Well, thanks for coming and letting me know. Today, I no longer care. Yes. Leo stopped being my husband the day he watched our only daughter dying. And he couldn't do anything about it. Is he not crazy? As you can see, I and my daughter, we are fine. Are we not? We are fine. We don't want him again. We don't want him.
But he's still your husband. You need to pray for him. I know he's not doing all of this with his right senses.
Leo knows everything he's doing. He knows everything he's doing. I don't think someone is behind his actions. Yes, I don't think. He's frustrated. I get it. But watching our own daughter die is devilish. I must tell you that. He's devilish. And I will never forgive him for that. I swear with my life. I will never forgive him, Chite. Let him continue to enjoy his life. Let him enjoy his life to the fullest. But very soon, he will get what he says. I must tell you, you will get what he says for leaving me and my daughter blinded. If I were you today, I will stop bothering myself. Everything that concerns you, let him be. I don't want him. We don't want him again.
Mecca, your husband has started cheating.
God forbid!
He's seen another woman.
How did you know?
Mecca, you go. A man that used to give you enough money for food suddenly reduced not only in amount but also in attention. That is a huge sign of infidelity.
No. Austin can't do this to me. Not after all the years I spent building him financially. Ozoma, are you telling me that another woman is reaping from where she didn't sow? Is that what you're telling me?
My dear, take my word as a friend. Or better still, go and find out who is behind this.
You better save your marriage before it's too late. Simple. What do I do? What do I do?
See, this is not the best time to cry. Save your marriage.
Mark, who behaves like you? How can you buy such an expensive wristwatch for a woman you've not slept with? Is that one the problem? Listen, I will sleep with her. I am working on it. Yeah, what will what yourself. Mark, look at what you meant yourself. You are practically killing yourself. Zubi, I know what I am doing. Trust me. You do, yes. You think you know what you're doing. You think you know what you're doing and your shop is empty. And you're claiming you know what you're doing. Hey, take it easy. You're beginning to change it now. The way you are sounding as if you are jealous of me. Listen, you're my friend. When will you start to support my decision? When? Support your decision? Yes. You want me to support an insane decision? Spending on a woman you barely know, and you want me to support you? It's so annoying. It's so disappointing. I know the problem. It's my fault. Yes, because everything I tell you, any little thing I call you on the phone, I complain to you. I will stop telling you things. I will delete your number from my phone. Oh, really? Yes. What am I even saying? I will buy your line. Yes.
Honey, welcome.
No problem. Just give me the name of the hotel so that we can start going down now, you know? Let everything happen fast.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
How that I have to rush home and shower, make sure that everything is
You're a very neat girl. No problem. Now let's go. Let me take you home so that.
So that I don't want to disturb you. Just stay here and enjoy yourself. Why are you?
That's just so much stress now, eh? You waste time. Let me go stay home. I'll go for fast.
Yes, I'll be fast. I'll be very fast.
So I should just be there and wait.
Yes, be here and wait, baby.
I wish I can wait, or should I just pay?
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay.
Sorry.
Just sit. Order drinks, wine, champagne, beer, whatever you want. Energy drink. Drink and get more energy so that when you get to the hotel. Fire. Come back to Bomba.
You kill me. Please come fast, though. Come fast.
I'll be before you know it.
Hey, yeah. Oh my God.
But I thought we had an agreement. Oh. I'm so sorry about that. I'm sick. What if I come take you to the hospital? Yes, like I told you, I've been here since morning waiting. In fact, it's because of you I didn't go to my office today. It's okay. It's okay. Yes, yeah, I'll come check on you later today. I'll come to the hostel. Okay, bye.
She be financial lady. Financial woman. Child. She be financial lady. Wind up, shake, shake. The beauty in the eyes of the holder, and the beast in the back of the holder. Yeah. What a damsel! What a damsel! So captivating, so killing. What a damsel! Money, she's so divine, so sexy, you can't deny it. She's so divine, so sexy, you can't deny it. The front is hot, she's so divine. The back is dangerous, the front is hot, she's so divine. Say that I know.
At your beck and call.
I can say that again. I'm good, dude. I'm good.
Rita, I will appreciate it if you seek my permission next time before going through my phone. Thank you very much. I'm so sorry. I didn't know. Look at this monkey, eh? Never no fear. Just because I collected her phone. Hi. I knew this girl is wicked. But we shall see who is smarter in this house.
Financial woman. She be financial lady. Financial woman. Child. She be financial lady. Wind up, shake, shake. The beauty in the eyes of the holder, and the beast in the back of the holder. Yeah. What a damsel! What a damsel! So captivating, so killing. What a damsel! Money, she's so divine, so sexy, she's so divine, so sexy, you can't deny it. The front is hot, she's so divine. The back is dangerous, the front is hot, she's so divine. Say that I know. She's so hot, she's a diva. She's so sexy.
See, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm very sorry.
Sorry for what? I thought you were a gentleman.
But you see, sometimes you just lose it. I was, the way you were treating me, that's why I became frustrated.
You decided to take your frustration out on Lucy. On me. Why didn't you take that frustration elsewhere?
Okay, see, I promise you, the next time I get frustrated, I will take it out on someone else, not you. Eh? But believe me, it won't happen again. I am really very sorry. Oh, Pico. Right. My Oma. Eh? Baby, please. Pico, I'm sorry. Hey.
It happens next time. I will take it.
But, okay, that doesn't mean you're forgiving me. Yeah, so back to business. When will I taste this thing now?
My leg. Can you take me to a spa or somewhere I can cool up, massage my body, massage?
No problem now. Why am I here? I'm even now.
Take me to a spa, body massage.
Hey! Young man! Hey, Mr. Man! What's going on here? What are you doing, my dear? I'm talking to you.
Eh?
So I've been at the bar waiting for her and you're here disturbing her. What's the meaning of this rubbish?
My friend, what are you talking about? Who are you?
Who am I?
Eh?
That's my girl. And my boyfriend.
My brother, shut up, my friend. You know who I'm talking to. Take your time off. Which girl is it? Did you know who she is?
Oh, listen.
Now, okay, man, I'm just respecting myself. What? One more word from you. See this thing? I'll kill you.
I'll
She's so sexy, financial woman. She's so sexy, you can't deny it. She's so hot, she's a diva. She's so sexy and so tempting. Check up the girl, check up the girl. On the budget, guys. On the budget, man. On the budget, guys. On the budget, man.
You remember me?
Please, I don't want any trouble. I've had enough crazy things for one day.
I don't know. Hold on, I don't understand. Don't you remember me? It's me. You gave me your number the last time. I've been calling you, but it's not been reachable. Please, it's me. Look at me.
Okay. But please, can you take me out? The sun is too much.
Please, in the back of the Honda, what a damn say. What a damn say. So captivating, so killing. What a damn say.
Anytime you come there for good, them a play my way. I swear me no Mr. Jovian, I just want penetrate. See your body no get part two, yeah. See me yo, let go for me. I want to that you're gonna Sunday. Baby me yo, let go for me. Name everything that you want for life. Show yeah, Mariana. Show yeah, Mariana. I look into your eye, girl, I confuse it. Your skin is so bright, I'm a lick it. I never see this kind of girl with no lamba, oh, I never see this kind of girl with no lamba, oh, See me, tell me, Joe. I know you wanna, I'ma give you some more. See me, tell me, Joe. I know you wanna, I'ma give you some more. Bad girl, never come for the money. Call me weakness, say money by love. Bad girl, never come for the money. Call me weakness, say money by love.
You're back. What happened to you? Your clothes too. What happened?
I had an accident.
Jesus Christ. Accident? Honey, we need to see the doctor now. Please.
It's okay. I'm fine.
Pay your face.
I said I'm fine. I need to have a bath. I really need water for me. Hot water.
I just messed up. I embarrassed myself. You know, I swore to this girl that I would not embarrass myself in public like that again. But I could not just hold myself. I was boiling. You need to see the anger in me. For what now? Check out. The girl positioned me for why I left like that. She told me she was coming. I was even calling her number wasn't going through. Only for me to find out later that she was gallivanting with another man. Hi! No, check out now. Check out. Mark, just listen to yourself. No, listen to yourself. Let me ask you one candid question. What is so special about this girl? Listen, if now I just no go there. Just forget about it. This girl. This girl is everything. If you see this girl, G-Wagon, Lamborghini, Ferrari. If you see her waist, a piantina now. You go there. And for this girl to get to bam, get ready to turn me on. Listen, my only problem is this. As a friend, advise me. What kind of gift can I buy for her? You know her waist is like a god. I need to appease the gods. Tell me the name of the gift. Let me go and buy it. Okay. Well, as my friend, as for the gift you need to get for her is common sense. You need to go get common sense. You need a little check. As for you right now, you're finished. You will go. So you need to help yourself out. I just pray you realize this thing in time. Before it's late, then you will know how foolish and stupid you've been. Man, you are right. I'm a very big fool. Because I already knew that this would be your response, and I still came and complained to you. If I come back, fire me. At least with your reaction now, I have confirmed that the both of us are not friends. If I call you again, shoot my ear. Mark. Mark!
Okay, I'm at Nollywood Plaza. That place they are selling chairs. Yes. Oh, you're closed already. Good day, Chief.
Good day, young lady. Are you the one that has been calling me?
Yes, sir.
So, how may I help you?
I'm Chief. Can we go somewhere and talk?
See, I don't have all the day. You see whatever you want to see.
Okay, sir. Chief. Rita, a friend to Lucy.
Oh, Lucy. A sweet girl.
Oh, Chief. I'm not so sweet. Just take a good look at me. Chief. I can give you satisfaction you will never get from my friend Lucy.
Rita, what about you? Is this the reason you called me? out of an important meeting I was having. You are very stupid. Next time you try this thing with me again, I will deal with you. Stupid girl. Hey! Look at this idiot that I'm even trying to support his ministry. Eh? Chief Conduct of Power.
Major alert. You saw the car downstairs, yeah? For coming upstairs?
Listen! It's a lie! It's true, baby. That's my new baby. Yes, baby. Hey, Lucy! I'm happy for you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Thank you, baby. It's really caused celebration. Let me call you a table. Or just give me a drink. Do it for my own. Do it for my own. No. Sorry. I guess I'm not.
Sweetheart, are you okay? Sweetie, are you alright? I can take you to the hospital if you want. As you can see, money is not the problem.
Yes, baby.
Listen,
I will be fine. I guess it's stress. Okay? Thank you. Are you sure? Alright, who about the basic? No dumb one, man. Under the candlelight, girl, you go feel my number. You know I got you for real.
What is he if not a riffraff? Just take a good look at yourself. Upon all your beauty, it's people like Ernest that come your way. And you said we can't do something to stop this?
What can you do? What can you do? Are you going to force all the men going to listen to yourself?
Babe, I will. I will stop her. I will do everything possible to stop her. This unfairness is too much. This nonsense is too much. I can't take it anymore. I have to do something.
But she helps us. She gives us money. She even paid for our school fees. I think all you need to do is appreciate her.
Just look at yourself. Yeah? Can you hear yourself? I should appreciate her for stealing my law. In fact, stealing our law. Just look at yourself. We have to do something about it. Yeah? What did your idiot bring for you when you came to visit you? What did he bring for you? Ordinary biscuits. Don't know what you're doing to yourself.
You are not God. You are not God. I believe in Ernest, okay? Mind your business. Leave us alone.
God, I won't mind my business. We have to do something about this. I won't.
You have to, not me. Because I don't have a problem with anything going on. Oh, but leave me alone. Leave me and Ernest alone.
I won't leave you alone, no. We must do something about this. Ordinary biscuits. Ernest brought ordinary biscuits.
Is your business?
It's my business.
Is your business? Is your boyfriend?
Yes. Oh. Let's wait for this. In fact, we. Hey! I will not leave you alone.
Will you take your hands off me?
You're not going anywhere.
Take your hands off me this very moment.
You're not going anywhere.
Come. See, woman, listen to me. I don't have all the time in the world, okay? See, I'm late for a very lucrative business, so you better leave me.
That business can wait till the from me. How can you leave this house without dropping a dime for food? Eh? You're not going anywhere. Let's go inside.
Listen to me. You see, things are very difficult. You won't understand. Things are very difficult. You see how the recession is putting a break to every business. Eh? I am managing.
You are managing. You are managing, but you're failing your car. Let's go inside, Austin.
So because I am managing, I should be trekking.
Is it not better? Since you cannot take care of your family, it's better you trek. What's the now tell me? Who is that woman you're spending your money on?
How dare you?
You're not going anywhere. Who is she?
How dare you make such statement for me? Eh? How dare you accuse me of such act?
You know I'm telling you the truth. You know I'm telling you the truth, and you will not be
Did you realize I'm the head of this house? And you are dressing me like this, no respect, like a bag of beans.
I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. Let's go inside.
Okay, see, I will count from 0 to 5, and if you don't leave me, I will knock you off my way.
You will do no such thing.
0.
Let's go inside.
1.
Drop this.
2.
What's the let's go inside?
3. 4.
You think I'll let you out?
Let me drop this bag first. 5.
Austin!
Okay, have this. Okay, for real. This time I'll give it for you.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Come on, baby. Let's go. Smart girl.
Nice. Yeah, let's go.
So it's true. So it's true. Get off there, my friend. Back here. What's the cup now? What's the way? Why am I going back here? What? Where's that?
You today. I can't believe you stayed months without you checking on us, knowing how we're feeling. Today is very bad.
Listen, I am so sorry. I traveled. Or didn't your husband tell you?
Jonah barely communicates to me as his wife.
Yes. The worst is that he has turned his back on our sick daughter.
Chide, the poor girl is suffering. Chide, my daughter is suffering. And no, Leonard no longer cares. But Leonard no longer cares at all. It's very bad.
So, Leonard, upon all my advice to him after he told me all that's been happening, why? Leonard, why? But why did you lose hope on God so quick? Why? I will still talk to him, okay?
Please do.
I will.
Because I don't know what has come over him. I don't know what has come over my husband. He no longer provides money for food. The worst is that he comes home late. He comes home late today. I don't know. What have I done? Oh.
It's okay. Like I said, I will still talk to him. Leo is my friend. I won't give up talking to him.
Please do.
Until he comes to his right senses.
Please do. I don't know what to do again. I'm confused.
So how is your daughter and where is she?
fine. She managed to go to school today. You know, she has missed a lot in the class because of her sickness. Yes. But I don't know how soon. I don't know how soon God will heal her for me. I want God to heal her.
It's okay. I know that God is going to do it so soon. For you and your husband. Listen, I don't want you to give up on God like your husband did. God is still alive. This is just a mere phase, which will be over in no time. It's okay, my dear. Just have faith and believe in God.
I will. I always believe in God. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So, how are you?
As you can see, I'm fine.
You're looking good.
Thank you.
Let me get you something. I know you like to eat or think something.
Wait, what are you saying? Well, no problems.
I'll be right back.
You are leaving this house and that is fine.
You lie! Austin, you lie! I am going nowhere. So you think that after setting you up with business, you will just wake up one morning and throw me out of this house? I never will.
Wait a minute. Are you not challenging my authority in this house?
I said you're leaving!
Austin, I'm going nowhere! Do your worst! Do your worst! Austin, you're going nowhere. Austin, where are you going to?
Take your eyes off me. Take your eyes off me now. Take your filthy
I'm
hands
not
off me.
leaving you because I'm going nowhere.
You want me to come? Leave me.
Because of that thing that happened on that day. Honestly, I don't know that guy. I just came out from nowhere. Do you know him?
Me? How can I know that type of person? I don't know him.
Well, you said he's your boyfriend.
My boyfriend? On how long? Ha! I can't say that kind of person. If you have any problem with me, I suggest you sort it out first before coming to me. Please.
I just told you, I don't know him. And I don't have any issues with anybody. See, anybody who tells you that he or she, has problem with me, the person is lying. Big fat liar. I'm none of the people now. People will tell you, I'm loved by everybody. Okay? See, I'm really very sorry for the embarrassment that it will happen again. Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, you say so.
I was just passing. I was going somewhere, and I said, this thing is your car now. I came down, I checked, I said, yes, this thing is your car. I know your car. Because, at least I know that today, day now.
What?
Look at enemy
Please, I'm going to the spa. I need a body massage to cool off. You know, the sun is too much.
That won't be a problem now. I'll take you in my car. We'll just go to the spa. I'm not doing anything today.
No. I want to go with my own bride.
That still won't be a problem. I'll park my own here and join you.
No problem. You pay my bill.
I'm equal to the tax.
But you stay at the back. Let me be your driver today.
I'll stay at the back. Okay. As long as after the whole thing, you know, back. It's not the
She's so sexy, you can't deny it. She's so hot. She's a diva. She's so sexy and so tempting. Check out the girl. Check out the girl. I know my check, guys.
I want you to do this for me. Hear her, please. I just want her out of my life. Please, can you do this for me? Yes. I'll be so grateful. Fair in complexion? Oh, she's dark and tall in complexion. She calls herself my friend, but I hate her with passion. Kill her, please. Alright, thanks.
I heard everything.
What are you talking about?
Don't you lie to me. I heard everything. How evil have you become, Rita? How evil? You're trying to assassinate Lucy. You're trying to sniff life out of Lucy, our friend. What has come over you? What has she done to you?
Everything. Everything, Ethel. I mean, she keeps humiliating me each time she comes back with one goodie or the other. Eh? Why can't men do same for us? See, that girl is an obstacle. And we need to get rid of her.
What do you write there?
We? I mean us.
No, darling. You and me? No, no we. Let me tell you something. I give it to the end of today. If you don't call up that assassination, I'm going to make sure I tell Lucy everything and also report it to the school authorities. What has come over you?
You dare not. You dare not.
Try me. I give it to the end of today. Rubbish.
Yes, Kunle. It's me. I better call off the heat. No problem. I'll communicate you later.
Money hot. Are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
Okay, fine. Let's go now.
Please, can you help me get the recharge card?
Okay. Like how much? 1,500, 2,000.
Oh, okay. I was going to give you 500 now from my handbag.
You know who is standing here with you. How can you stand before me and be talking of 500 naira recharge card? Come on. Come on. Come on. I'll get you 2,000 naira, Chaska. Relax. Don't worry.
Thank you.
Aha! Baby.
Okay.
Yes, there you go. Okay. So you are fine now, eh?
2,000. Thank you very much.
Alright, no problem. Ome.
Sorry, what are you doing?
Which one is what am I doing? I thought we agreed now. He said I'll take you to the spa. Take you to some other places. Buy a few things for you. You'll be happy. You know? Then I'll now take you to where you give me this. That was the plan now.
My slight headache. I'm having a slight headache, and I want to go to my hostel. Moreover, I have quiz tomorrow morning. I'm still a student, in case you forgot.
Which one is quiz again now? Huh? You said that we will. That was the plan. We now. Okay, I don't know. I'm a gentleman. I don't like. Let me not force you.
Thank you.
Even though. No problem. I'll take Keke to where I park my car. Huh? But concerning the headache, I can take you to a doctor. You see to it, you'll be fine, and then we'll still.
Doctor, ordinary headache. No, I'll be fine. I have painkillers in the hostel. We'll keep in touch, okay?
Okay.
She be financially, she's so sexy. You can financial woman. She's so sexy. You can't deny it. She's so hot. She's a diva. She's so sexy and so tempting. Check up, nigga. Check a nigga. On the budget, guys. On the budget, man.
Nick, are you serious? Are you serious about what you just said?
You like the joking over such. My husband left the house and I heard that he spotted somewhere in the hotel. Imagine.
Oh my God. Don't tell me he did this to you because of that little brat we saw him with.
My dear, my husband has gone completely insane. He said he's tired of me, and I know it's because of that little brat. See, I will never stay alive and watch that little brat take over my man. Never!
And you may end up falling into trouble while trying to do so.
But I have to do something. I have to do something before it's too late.
This fight is between you and your husband, not that brat. I think I know what to do.
That's why I called you. Please give me suggestions. Thank you. Looking good. Thank you.
What do you want me to do?
Let's take her to the hospital. Please.
And do what then? Huh? What are we going to do then? You know what will happen when we get to the hospital? Do you have any idea? Let me break it down for you. We're going to get there. We'll meet a doctor with a few nurses. Alright? They'll ask us to pay consultation fee. We pay. In fact, I pay from my pockets. They'll put out an admission they will admit her. I will pay admission fee from my own pocket. Okay? Then they give her some drugs and injections. I pay again. We come back here 2 days after she gets sick again. We go back to the hospital and go through the same routine. Babe, I am sick. I'm tired of it. I will not go through it again.
Leo is your daughter.
Sort yourself out.
Emily, it's not her fault. It's not her fault. It's not your fault.
Hello. Lucy baby, how are you? Yes, it's me, Austin. I'm at La Viva Hotels. Would you want to come? Oh, you're in class. Sorry. How about after lectures? Yes, I'll be in this hotel for like, say a month or more. Yes, as much as it keeps me away from my ever-nagging wife, so I can have all the time in the world for you, my baby. Yes, so, okay. Yes, I'll be waiting. Don't feel. Eh? Who is that? Eh? Who is banging on my door? I didn't ask for anything. Let me see. Hey! Emeka.
Oh.
Emeka, what are you doing here?
She hasn't arrived yet. She's lucky I didn't meet her here.
I'm asking you, what are you doing here? Eh? Who showed you this place? I mean, in fact, who showed you my room?
So you thought I don't know people in this hotel? Well, you chose the wrong location this time. Because you know what? I came to take you home, my darling.
Take who home?
You?
And you listen to me, Neka. I have left that house for you. For good. So you better go back there and live in it.
Austin, you lie! I said you lie! If you think I'm leaving this hotel without you, then you must be joking. So my darling, come sit down. Don't stress yourself out.
Since you want to stay here, I am leaving this place for you.
Where do you
Okay? I'm going.
Come back here, my friend!
Neka, I am warning you.
Let's not
See,
Let's not be at this.
Just
sit down.
leave my shit.
Calm down.
Leave my shit. I will deal with you.
You won't.
I will deal with you. Leave my phone. Come.
Come back here.
Where join you? Wait, I leave my belt.
We are staying with you.
Stay with you. Me, stay with you.
I'm
Stay with you
your
for
wife.
what? I'll come.
I love you. Don't do this to me. Come on, let me pick your call. I want to text dying right now to speak. He's not picking my call. Good. Yeah, please, where are you? Please, I need your help right now. My daughter's dying. I don't know what to do. Please, I need your help right now, please. Please, I beg you. I need you. Are you come? Kaima! Kaima, please. Kaima! No.
when you told me that a man bought you a car, I fell in love. You know, I started thinking, I said to myself, this man that bought you a car, does he have two heads? Eh? I challenged myself. I said I was going to get you something bigger than a car. You know what I did? I called my estate agent. He said, surprise me. Do something for me. Eh? Arrange it. I will pay. He arranged this parcel of land for me. And I paid for it. Take it. See here? Let me show you. Huh? This whole land.
It's a lie. It's a lie! Are you serious? You mean Lucy is not a landowner?
Just to show you how much I love you.
Nina, cake is a chair. Do you want it from the front or back? Or can you hear back? Let's start it here.
No, not here. Now, there's no way. Let's just go to a nearby.
Okay. I pay the money.
That's right. We'll go to the picture. What do you mean?
So, where are the papers to be?
The papers, that's not a problem. The papers are in my car. Once we go out, I'll give you the papers then we enter the hotel.
Oh, please.
Immediately.
Meanwhile, we get hotel half will be tomorrow. You know the sun is too much. Take me to a cool joint. Can lies buy me drinks or rishi so that I will cool off or they refresh. So that tomorrow we'll go to that club. You hit it anyhow you want it. Back. Sideways.
No problem. No problem. I'll take you to a joint where but the hotel will still be today after the joint.
She's so hot, she's so good, so sexy, you can't deny it. She's so hot, she's a diva. She's so sexy and so tempting. Check up the girl.
Making sense.
Anything for you. So you see that I'm fine.
Trying. Don't worry. I've made you a promise,
When you want to give me this thing, give me from your heart.
From my church marriage. Anyhow. I told you before. Anyhow you want to. I can do overnight because of you. Normally I don't do it. My full cell, the whole day and night.
I hope you like the place. I know what you
Yeah.
Let's breathe.
What a dancer. What a dancer. So captivating, so killing. What a dancer. Money boy, she's so different, so sexy, you can't deny it. She's so hot, so sexy, you can't deny it. The front is hot, she's so different. The back is dangerous, the front is hot, she's so different. The men are dying, she's so hot, she's a diva.
Thank you. I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting. I ran out of fuel.
It's all right, but why didn't you call me? I mean, I wasn't doing anything. I could have come to where you are to pick you up.
Leaving my car? Excuse me. Anyway, the queue wasn't much, so ta-da! Yeah, mine. How are you, my baby?
I'm fine. I miss you.
Same here. You know, I can't thank you enough for those car you bought for me. I don't know how to, I lack words to thank you. Honestly, I'm very grateful. Thank you very much. You're the best.
You can say that again, but trust me, baby. You see this car? There's a little of what I can do for you. I could do more if only you choose to go intimate with me.
Sweetheart, I'm already intimate with you. Don't worry, very soon you'll be pretend. You know what I mean?
You're saying that, but I just can't wait. It's okay. I love you. I love you so much, babe.
You do?
Of course I do.
Okay. So what were you doing in the hotel the day you saw me?
The day I saw you, yeah. But it is something temporary. But I have you now. I can make you my permanent. Huh? You already my permanent. I don't need to look at any other woman. You have everything I want. Just tell me where you want to spend your next vacation. Bahamas, Europe, New York, UK, Dubai. Name it.
You're kidding me. You mean you can afford to take me out of this country?
I can take you anywhere.
Okay.
So where do you want to go to?
Let me think about it. It's been a while you came to see Rita.
My dear, I just can't believe it. Rita dumped me. She asked me to leave because I'm not up to the kind of man she now wants. I don't know.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's okay, Ethel. There's nothing to be sorry about. Life is like that. It's a passing phase. But I believe that one day, by the grace of God, I will make it.
Amen. I believe in your faith, okay?
Thank you very much.
You know, I'm very sorry for the embarrassment and humiliation she gave you the other day. I've tried talking to her, but Rita is so obsessed with men that have made it. I don't know. Life is like that. But let me tell you. Tell her that I said no, that no one went there. Like I said earlier, one day by His grace I will make it. And if I do, oh my God. Can you imagine after the love we shared together? She now still, let me reserve my comment, baby. But I know that one day I'll make it. Just take heart and be strong. And in God's own time, He's going to fix you up.
Amen.
And you'll be fine.
Amen. I tell you. Let me run along, huh?
Same here. Alright then. Bye.
I see the leaf. Watch your level. Watch your business. Bobelas, Natobelenko, Inogon, Makanukwas, Natanukonko. Whenever you go, but tomorrow
Angela.
I know, always come
Angela. Angela.
I give up to waste what I can about. Money, give up to waste. I give up to waste.
Yes, hold on. What is wrong with you? Can you stop shouting at me and tell me what the problem is? What did I do wrong?
How could you? How could you be this heartless to have abandoned your wife and your sick daughter at the hospital?
That's where they are, the hospital.
Oh, you mean you don't know? So,
Till now, you haven't called them to know their whereabouts. Oh my God. Jide, your daughter is at the hospital battling with her life. You need to go and be with them. They need you right now, Biko. You need to go and be with them.
Don't worry. Just don't worry. I pray someday you'll be in this same situation. Let me know how far you'll be willing to sacrifice for a child whose sickness has remained incurable. I mean, I'm tired now. Haven't I tried? Everyone knows that I have tried. I am tired. So if there's anything you want to do for them, at least, thank God you know the hospital where they are. Go there and do it for them and stop disturbing me. Go. I had a long day. Let me rest.
Mom, I'm fine. I'm fine. No, Mom. Mom, do you believe that up till now, Nathan is not back? Yes. Mommy, I don't know what go over Nathan. I don't know what go over him. He said he has a business to take care of. Yes. No, we didn't go again. We didn't go again. Mom, food is not the problem. I'm eating. I'm fine. It's just Nathan. His sudden change of attitude is making me go crazy. No. Mom, do you know the worst? Nathan has refused me touching him. Yes, since the first day we got into this hotel. I'll be fine. I'll try. I'll try. Okay. No need. I'll try. Okay, Mom. Fine. Thank you.
What were you doing?
Who were you kissing?
Huh? Me? Kissing? Huh?
Don't worry. It seems innocent. Let me give it to you.
Wait a minute. That was a nightmare.
Like I said, Nathan, I'll be going back to my parents' house.
Oh, really? Nice.
Is that what you're going to say?
What would you have me say? Huh? Did I make that decision for you?
Of course, Nathan, you made that decision for me. You made that decision for me. When you started coming back late at night, what do you want me to do? We just got married. But look at us, living like strangers. Nathan, we are supposed to be in our honeymoon, but you turned the whole thing into a mess. You are the worst.
How dare you talk to me like that? You talk about my business like that? Can you take a good look at this poor Richard thing that I picked up from the gutters? Do you know how much I've spent on you so far? Do you know how much I've spent on you? Look at you!
That time you slapped me. I will never forgive you for this.
Hell with you, your family, this honeymoon, Calabar, and your forgiveness put together.
Jumbo Mara.
Seriously, Ita, you see, you're always radiating your colors.
Baby girl. Yes, love. Welcome back. Thank you very much.
You remember? Oh, you remember my boyfriend Ernest?
Yeah, I do. Really? Why? It's been a long time. You see, my girlfriend here, she has told me everything about you. Good things, but yes. Please, she's like a sister to me. Carry her like an egg. Don't be her.
No, my dear, I won't. You see, hurting her means hurting myself. So I'll do everything possible to keep her from harm's way. You're such a good friend. Thank you.
That's so sweet to hear. Okay.
Sweetheart, you don't know Lucy. She's more like a sister to me. I prepared noodles.
That's my girl. Plenty pepper, I guess. Yes. You like it like where is Rita?
That one. You know that one now. I don't know.
Whatever. You guys should have fun.
Alright, my love.
Alright.
Thank you. Darling.
Thank you so much for that advice. I wonder what I would have done without you, my dear friend. And you saying it work perfectly. You know, I went to the hotel like you advised me. And thanks to the hotel manager that gave me access to my husband's room. Luckily for that little brat, she was not there yet. And I was not ready to leave the hotel if my husband didn't follow me home. When he saw that I was not in to no joke, Omo, he followed me home because I was ready to disgrace him.
You did perfectly well. I am happy your husband is back home.
Thank you, my dear. But there is a challenge. Do you know that my husband has started seeing that girl in his dream? Each time I wake up at night to check up on him, he's always mourning and grabbing his erection.
Wet dreams. Don't worry. You will defeat that bitch. Very soon she will get tired. I am glad your husband is back home.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you so much. I'm so happy still. Oh. So what should I get for you?
It's not even
sorry.
Sweetheart, I am very sorry about what happened to your daddy. You see, I I had to leave the hotel because I was... Hey, that reminds me. Did you still check on me on that day? Did you still come to the hotel?
Yes, I did. Oh my God, you stressed me. I wasted my time going to the hotel to look for you, and on getting there, I didn't find you.
I said it. Oh babe, I am very sorry. It wasn't intentional. You see, I love you very much. If you don't mind, let's leave this place. Let's go somewhere cool so we can chill and have some drinks. What do you think?
I have lecture in 10 minutes time, and my project is coming very soon, so I have to go to school.
You see the reason I love you so much? You are so different, clever, brilliant, everything. Not like all those spoiled girls that will be running after men that will not face their studies and all that. See, that is why I call you beauty and brains.
I'm blushing.
You don't need to blush because it's true that I'm talking. You see, you will need some money for your project. I understand that look. With 350,000 you're okay for your project.
Yeah.
Hey, those eyes. I can tell by looking in your eyes that 350 will not be enough. Okay, you know what? I will sum it up to 500,000.
Are you serious?
I don't want you to stress yourself.
Oh, you're such a darling.
Yeah, you're a darling. So let's not waste time, Let's go to my car so that
check.
Oh God, you see? You are so smart. How do you know that I want to say check? Let's go, so I will write the check for you immediately,
Thank you.
Hold me like this so that people will...
Yes, I'm coming. What can I do for you?
I'm here to see Lucy.
Hi, I remember you. You are the guy that bought us food from the fast food joint down the road.
Oh, yes. What? Lucy's friend, right?
Roommate. We are not friends. I mean, the class isn't seen. Just look at me. I'm from a rich home, and she's from a poor background. Understand? That's why we don't meet.
Oh, I see. Well, whatever, but it's alright. Is she around so I can see her?
She's not around. But I'm around, and we can see anytime, baby.
It's alright. I think the best thing for me to do is to leave right now. Alright? I am sorry for disturbing you.
I can't believe I was wasting my time with this idiot. Fool! Good cause him to say Lucy! I will unravel this mystery soon.
Give up to West. I gave up. She's so different, so sexy, you can't deny it. She's so hot. She's a diva. She's so sexy and so tempting. Check up the girl.
This is the business you claim to be doing. So this is the lady behind all my problems.
Oh, whoa. Sweetheart.
Oh no, you don't know me, you husband snatcher. I am the lady you're messing with her husband. And Nathan, I can't believe you're doing this to me. What does this thing have that I don't have?
Excuse me? Sweetheart, take a very good look at me. Look at me very well. Then, you can answer that question yourself.
Now you see? You said you were going to your family house. What are you doing here? Why can't you just go and leave us alone?
By the way, Nathan, who is this thing and what gave her the audacity to talk to me like that?
Baby, I don't know.
Tell her I am your wife. Tell her I'm your wife. We just got married and we're supposed to be in a honeymoon. But no, you choose to mess up with this thing. Moving around town doing rubbish. Leaving me his newly wedded wife in the hotel.
Babe, trust me, I don't know this woman from Adams. I've never seen her before. We can talk this out, alright?
Yeah, I agree with you. Right now, I need some space. Sort yourselves out. Excuse me.
Babe, you're joking, right? Babe, I don't know this woman. Don't you understand? I don't know her. Babe, look. You need to understand. I don't know this woman. Babe! Now, did you see what you've caused? Oh, now she's gone. What are you doing here? I thought you said you were going back to your father's house. What are you doing here? Okay, I'm sorry. Now, can we talk?
Save it! Save it for yourself, Nathan! I'm done with this marriage. I am tired. You humiliated me, Nathan. I'm tired. I'm done!
Babe! Wait, look, let me explain what happened.
I see the level, watch your level, watch your business. One them, Bobelas, Patobelenko, Inogon, Makano Kwas, the Batano Wonko. When the match yet go, but tomorrow better.
What do you mean that you couldn't get hold of her? Eh? You saw her, didn't you?
We did.
Then why didn't you grab her? Eh? Simple kidnap is not difficult for you.
If it is so simple like you just said, why didn't you kidnap her by yourself?
Mama, leave this girl.
Why you say not going to go kidnap that pretty young lady?
Leave her.
Again, boo. Again, be fine here.
Jesus Christ.
Don't listen no more.
You guys are insane. See. I don't want trouble. I don't just want talk. I don't want vex. I don't want provoke. Just give me my money. I said, give me my money back. I beg. I don't want fight.
You don't mad. You don't free job for you.
But you didn't do the job now. Give me my money.
Hey, see. If last time woman will kidnap you, John Shea.
But you didn't do the job now.
Woman will kidnap you, John Shea.
But I'm only have kill you there. Give me my money, then please.
Take them out, Abi. I never complete our money.
I never complete.
You don't like.
Is that all you got?
Listen, please, just manage it. Yeah? For now, manage it. Every time I'll do more.
So, Mark, tell me, what kind of business do you do?
Listen, just forget about the kind of business, right? Huh? All I need is your love, and everything will fall in place. You see, I truly love you. I love you so much.
Thank you very much for the money. You see, before I go, I'll give you one kiss.
Kiss again. Eh? When exactly like tired of all the kiss. Yeah, just give me this thing. Let me help.
Chai.
You're making me shy now.
Now, but I get the up. Take it easy. Small, get your lacha this way. Take it easy. Don't worry. Tomorrow, I'll give it to you. Wherever and however you want it.
No. That's what you said that time. Tomorrow. What will this today come?
In few hours time, tomorrow will come. So cool down, Cool, relax.
I was thinking that after the whole thing today, that right now I should be on top of the mountain like that.
It's okay, stop smelling it, The banky taste it. Tomorrow you will test it. Yes. Tomorrow you test it, no problem.
She's so sexy, you can't deny it. She's so hot, she's a diva. She's so sexy and so tempting. Check out the girl.
Babe. I'm sorry, this is all I have now. You know, I just got married and I'm still yet to start work, so this is like my entire savings and I'm giving it to you out of love.
Just got married. So why did you lie to me when I asked you if you were married?
I'm sorry about that. The most important thing is that she's out of my life and you are in my life forever. I love you, baby, and I'll do more. Alright?
It's okay. Thanks for the money. And I do appreciate it. I just pray that God will make me finish this project very soon.
Of course he will. And if there's anything else you need me to do, please don't hesitate to let me know.
That's so kind of you. Yeah. You're the best.
Alright, that reminds me, babe. We've been going out for some time now. I've proven myself beyond reasonable doubt that I'm efficient, that I love you, that I care, that I can sacrifice more than enough for you, but you still don't want to give this thing to me. You still don't want us to, you know, make out, make love, get laid.
She's so sexy, you can't deny it. She's so hot, she's so sexy, you can't deny it. She's so hot.
Go and tell me, where is she?
Calm down. Who are you talking about?
I'm talking about Lucy.
Oh, she has gone out.
She's gone out. I'll wait for her. When she comes back here, she'll meet me here. Every single thing I have spent on her, I must collect it back. For what now? Give me this thing, no. Tomorrow. For what? Listen, don't tell me to calm down. Don't beg me at all. I'm angry. I'm pissed off right now.
I know you're angry. Please calm down.
No. I don't need all these calming down things right now. My body's so hot.
I know.
Listen, stop. I'm not called for all this right now. Listen. See, listen. I know you are trying to beg me. Listen, I'm not. No. Listen, wait. Listen. Everything.
up to Westy. I give up to Westy. What I can never. Money.
Baby more. Why on my mommy? Of course I'm excited. I'm very, very excited because you've never called me on the phone. This is the first time. Oh yes, I'm fine. Where are you? Okay. Hey, campus. Okay, if you want, you don't have to ask now. I'm coming over right away. Just give me a few minutes. You'll see me. Okay. Hi.
Excuse me.
Sorry, madam. What can I do for you? Do I know you?
How will you know me? You are. Whoa. You are the same girl I found with my husband the other day at the bar.
Oh yes, I remember you. You know, you should be grateful to me for not taking your assault to the police.
Oh, you still have the guts to talk. I mean,
why would I talk, sweetheart? I can't remember doing anything wrong to you.
You can't remember doing anything wrong to me. But you're sleeping with my husband.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Go home and ask your husband if I've slept with him. And your husband came after me, not the other way around. I'm a student who is dedicated to her study, but somehow men just wouldn't let me be. And you know what? This shows that you are failing on your duties as a housewife.
Did you just insult me?
Oh no, I'm just advising you. If you want, you can take my advice. You know, men are gullible in nature. It's your choice as a woman to make him not to see any reason to cheat on you. The choice is yours. I'm sorry for your husband, but he keeps pestering me. But hey, sweetheart, who wouldn't? Take a good look at me.
And what makes you think you're better than me?
See, if you wear your husband's shoe, you would do same. Sweetheart, have a nice life. Ciao, ciao.
What are you doing here? How did you locate this place?
Well, let's say I've been training you for some time now. You now have a car, so it's easy for me to locate you. Nice ride. But I've got the car for you.
A gentleman got the car for me. Somebody that knows my worth. Somebody that knows that better soup na money maker. Not someone like you that fights in my presence. Rubbish.
know you are angry, but I am sorry. It's just that I was so angry that day. I was pissed off. Eh? It's only normal that you're jealous now. You left me at that bar, waiting for you. You know the mood that you left me that day. You just went to be gallivanting with that riffraff. Check him now.
Riffraff?
Yes.
Wifey Pole, riffraff. May I remind you that that riffraff, like you rightly said, has a car. Oh, wait, no. What do you have?
What?
Even bicycle you don't have. Another barak on a riffraff.
What is a car? Is it my car? Listen, if you make me vex here now, I will spoil this full compound with cars. That's how I behave. What is car? Listen, do not make that mistake. Do not judge a man's riches because of material things. I am just this guy saying, oh God, you don't understand me. Leave cars. Okay, now see. Just to come and talk to you and beg you. See what I want. I will shop for you. Check it out. If you see designers here, you will know. Check. This is car. This car. Check. Check that out. See, now you are not speechless.
Stop laughing. I'm not forgiving you yet.
I am so sorry now. Eh? Listen, I promise you it will not happen again. Trust me. Please. Please now. Hey. Hi.
Because of one thing. Because of the X7 you bought from me.
S7. That one is floating. I'm even waiting for S8 now. Eh? Please, it's floating. Like that.
Right. No problem. You go. Just give me some time to restructure my mind and accepting you back. Eh?
Okay, no problem. I don't know if you can just give this one for everyone.
Small one.
Oh.
I take it. You go. You can go.
I'm already on my way. I'm going.
Give me some time. Give me some time.
₦2 million naira. Hey! Hey! Why you shout? Why would I shout? The money is too much now. I even thought it's small money. That's why I came with my checkbook. Let me just give you. Then you go. You give me this thing. 2 million naira is too much now.
Huh? I don't like it though. Look at how you are shouting and embarrassing us, attracting attention. If you don't have the money, tell me, and I will go outside there. There are thousands of women that are ready to spend much more on me. In fact,
if you want to go, go. You know why? Wait. See now. Yeah. I cannot play with you. Relax. You should know when somebody is angry, man. You just say certain things out of anger. You haven't got into this. This thing that I'm not doing this thing. I want to carry it and go and use somebody else. Relax. See, I'm not a human being now. There's no way I'll not complain. I wasn't expecting you to give me this kind of huge bill again after I bought that expensive land for you. What is those small money you need?
it's just a problem I needed to solve. I thought they don't get what you see. I'm not pointing gun to your head. If you don't have the money, I'll just quietly go out there. Plenty men to give me much more. What I go?
Please stop telling me about other men. I don't want to hear it. I have this money. Relax.
Then spend it on me. Go see me.
I know, but you see, listen, I have what but actually, this money, it's not like I don't have it. This is money I'm using to do business. You understand? But since you said you want it, I didn't know now. Let me just. Looks like you need it more. Okay, $2 million.
identified you behind, so tomorrow you can catch it immediately and settle the problem.
Hey! Leo! My sweetest, my bestest. You too much. You too much. You know what, my baby?
Ah, you owe me. You owe me big time, and that debt you are owing me, you pay it now, immediately. No time. Go.
So soon.
I need it now, soon. I've tried now. You tell me this one I'll pay. Land, this one, this is enough. See, let me taste this thing. Let me know. It's been long now. See, I made arrangements. There's this one small hotel just across the road here. Once we cross, we see it. Small place. We enter there. We go, Mbe. Huh?
Monthly visitor.
Ete, I know it will surely happen someday, and it's finally happened.
I don't get you. What are you talking about?
I finally slept with one of Lucy's men. Right on the sofa.
On our sofa?
What is wrong with having sex on our sofa? Huh? He came in search of Lucy, threatening to deal with her. So I let him in and he had sex with me. What is wrong with that?
Wait, I need to understand something. So you are happy that you slept with one of Lucy's men?
Ethel, you don't know how hard it is to get the attention of any man that has slept with Lucy. Anyway, I got this one. At least it's a great step ahead.
God Almighty have mercy on you.
On you too. Fool. I can't believe that I spoke to a killjoy like you.
Okay, like I said, these are the original of the particulars to my vehicle. See, as you see this, you can use it to obtain loan in any bank of your choice. There you go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'm so grateful. I know that this will be a huge inconvenience for you, but...
No.
Thank you very much. You're the best. God bless you.
God bless you too. You see, your happiness is all I am concerned about. And how to dissect this waist of yours is another thing that I'm very particular about.
Don't worry, my sweetheart. Don't worry. Very soon you're going to get it.
Very soon? Yes. No. I want it now. You're happy at the bathroom?
Bros, your blood is hot.
Your blood is hot,
You don't over-try, but we're not going to do it in this joint.
Oh, no. Don't you trust me? Don't worry, I will make a reservation in one of these hotels. I'll let you know.
That's cool. You know what? I'll quickly rush to the back to finalize with them. Okay? Then I'll come back and meet you. Make sure you get a very nice, befitting hotel where you are going to be.
You see why I like you? Don't worry, I'll do that. And you too, when you are done, remember to give me a call.
I'll give you a call.
I will tell you where I am.
Before then, take proper bath. Maybe get an energy drink or something. Lie down naked so that once I come,
I am naked already. You see that's not away.
Feel it small before I come.
Shake it.
Feel it.
Shake it. I die here.
It's okay. I will come.
Okay.
Naked though.
I am naked already. Hey, Buku.
office can money seriously. What office can one I'm not stupid now. Come on. I'm not stupid. This is the 7th time. 7th time that this girl is disappointing me like this. Give me this thing. Every day I keep spending money. She'll give me one bill, I'll pay. Give me one bill, I'll pay. Give me another one, I'll pay. Give me this thing now, let me taste it. Never again. Never. I'm not stupid. I will get back every dime that I give to her. Every couple, I will get it back. And let me see her again. Let her tell me one stupid story. She will see herself. Idiot. Think I'm a fool. Let me go and meet her right now. I've come for us to talk as friends. Well, let me go. We'll talk some other time, please. Even if maybe that right now.
I know you're rushing to go and see that prostitute. I saw both of you together.
Okay, so you come here to judge me now. Huh? You're here to judge me. See, I don't have time. Later we'll discuss this thing. Even if maybe the opposite final.
So, adultery is the best option for you to take, isn't it? You've destroyed a beautiful marriage. Your home made by God has been destroyed by your sin and your poor reasoning. Now, why not achieve for one girl?
We'll discuss this all that time, please. You're still going out. You want to go and meet her, Abby?
This girl will start giving my guys something to eat. Huh? My friends don't listen to me anymore.
Nata, what happened? Nata, no, please, get up. Get up, you're embarrassing me.
Hey!
What happened?
She made away with everything I have. Everything that I have, everything that I ever worked for. This girl told me that she loved me. She made me believe that I had a future with her. Look at me. My cars, gone. Account balance, 0. Hey! God.
Nathan, how could she have left with your money without you giving it to her? You gave her your money.
How was I supposed to know? How was I supposed to know? This girl made me believe that she loved me. She tells me on a daily basis that I love you. I thought she loved me. Look at me. Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
So you mean all the money are gone?
Everything. Everything that I ever worked for, everything that I have, everything. I'm finished. Hey! God.
Nata, what came over you? Now she has left with everything. So where is this girl now?
I don't know. I've checked the place she showed me the place she showed me as her house. I've checked there. There is nobody there. Her phone lines are not going. I don't even know what to do.
Do you know any of her friends?
I don't know. I don't know anybody, baby. It's just you that I have. Please. Please. Please.
What came over you? What came over you? Now, what do you want us to do? To go to the police? To start looking for her? What do you want us to do? Nata, you left me. I gave you everything.
I don't know what came over me.
You left me, Nata. Now look at us. We don't have anything to show for.
I'm sorry.
Nata, you practically destroyed our honeymoon because of that silly girl. Now she's nowhere to be found.
I give up to waste what I can
Listen!
Look at money. Stop! Are you kidding? Are you not? Because are you not?
But tomorrow later, and I know always come at last year. I give up to waste it, but I can never. Money, give up to waste it. I give up to waste it. Never say no, but I to waste it. I was stupid, thinking I was smart. Jim, where Jeff is here. Now what I'm not a malego. I forgot to say that to far away. Say not gonna listen.
You gave a total stranger your money, your car, all because she's beautiful and sexy like you claim.
Baby, Nico, please forgive me, eh? The way she looks beautiful, I didn't know she was a thief. I didn't know. As I speak with you, I have moved round the town. I've searched every nook and crannies to no avail. Please, I don't even know how to connect her. I don't know her whereabouts. I am finished. Please, as it is right now, you are the only one I have. Please forgive me. Please, Pico.
After squandering all your wealth, see, you better go and look for that woman you spent all your money on, and make sure you come back with the money. Else,
please.
Sicko, there will be no place for you in this house.
Please now, please don't do this to me now, please. Don't do this. You are the only one I have, my backbone, my everything. Okay. I love you. Please remember the good days. The devil's work.
Calm down. Sorry, calm down. Calm down, okay?
You forgive me.
Come on, calm down. Make sure you come back.
Hey! I am finished! Don't do this to me! Please remember the good old days! Everything.
I give up to waste it, but I can never. Money, give up to waste it. I give up to waste it. Never say no, give up to waste it.
Business is working. Well, to the glory of God, yeah, it's working. You know, a friend of mine came back from China and linked me up with one lucrative business. So things are okay by his grace. So what's up?
I'm happy for you, Emmanuel.
Oh, thank you so much.
I guess we'll be seeing more of him.
But let me show you something. My wife, listen at you. Baby, my ex.
Hello.
See you when I see you, baby.
I said, what are you doing here? Get out. Get out!
Just calm down. I can explain. Please let me explain.
There's nothing to explain. I said there's nothing to explain. We don't want you. We don't want you.
Don't do this thing to me, please. I've been through a lot. Look, I'm very sorry for the way I treated you and her. Doctor, I was stupid. Very stupid. And in that stupidity, I made a lot of mistakes. Please forgive me. I lost everything. All I have.
Get out!
Angela, what's going on?
Oh. Cynthia, tell this stupid man, tell this devil to live here! Tell him that we don't want him again!
It's okay, I'll leave.
Just go.
No problem, I said I'll leave. Ali, just a few seconds with my daughter. Can you...
Leave that!
You heard her. You heard her. So leave him. Please leave.
Get out! Leave!
Sleep back. Imagine.
I can see anger in your eyes. You guys want to deal with me, devour me, kill me. But for what? Did I do anything wrong to any of you?
And you stole our money. You're a thief. Yes.
At gunpoint? No, answer me. Did I force any of you to give me money? You guys did that out of your own sheepishness. I know most of you here are married, but you denied. You never mentioned it to me. You are married, but you're not actually ready for marriage. Otherwise, I don't see the reason you should cheat on your wives.
See, just leave that there. You deceived us.
Sweetheart, I didn't deceive you. You are the one that deceived yourself, thinking I'm a slut.
No, it's not. What are you?
Call 10 lawyers, 20 lawyers, make it 100. Take me to anywhere, I will win. Because I didn't steal your money. You gave it to me because you decided to shame your families and by cheating on your wives. I know you might be thinking, who and what gave me the guts to be talking to you people like this? Well, let me introduce myself.
What is that she called herself Lucy? Don't tell me to shut up, you idiot. Because of you, my husband is lying sick in the hospital. Because of you.
Hello?
Because of you, I don't have nothing to show for. You ruined my marriage. I can't see you call my husband's number again. Get you arrested. Husband snatcher!
Sorry, who is she?
I am Nathan's wife. I am Nathan's wife. The lady you snatch her husband from.
I see. Now, sit down.
I'm not going to sit down.
Sit down! Like I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, my name is Lucy Achara, the second daughter of Brigadier Achara. This is my father's compound. You heard me? Well, I didn't call you here to harm you, rather to advise you. You see, adultery has wrecked many homes. If your wife is not giving or doing something right, tell her, let her know, manage her, shape her into the woman you want her to be. That's your ideal woman. You want a sexy woman? Buy sexy things for her. Stop looking outside, jumping from one woman to another. It doesn't pay. Same goes to you, Mrs. Nathan. Make your husband that man you want him to be. And as for you, I believe that something must have attracted your husband to you during your dating days. Search your mind. You know that thing your husband saw in you. Bring it back. I don't know, maybe you're now a nagging woman that made your husband to start looking outside. So, try and adjust your family so that you have a happy home.
Well, thank you so much for this advice. We appreciate it. But does it mean that all the money we have spent, especially me, my hard-earned money, will it just go like that with this advice? Or because I don't even know what to do. My going back home now is not even sure. You understand? So if there's any way you can consider, for them they are still even looking good, very native. Me, my own, can see hole everywhere.
You have it.
So please, I'm not saying this thing to make you angry, all of these people, but just consider.
Boss, don't even go there. Honestly, just don't go there at all. Mine is worse than yours. Believe me. My business folded completely, honestly, because of this girl. But, you know, I kept on hoping that I didn't even taste the thing in the end.
These checks contain all the things I've collected from each of you. And a little bonus to help you bounce back. But I must advise you, or rather, you must advise yourselves not to go back to adultery. Because you might not have a second chance. You might not meet a rich man's daughter like me, somebody that is kind, that has conscience. Okay. Mr. Leo, okay. Mr. Mark, before you. Mr. Austin Chukudili.
No. Thank you very much.
Chief Stanley Okongwa.
Investment.
The last but not the least, Mr. Nathan.
I was foolish, thinking I was smart. Oh my God, oh bully foo foo I was stupid, thinking I was smart.
Rita, you've been crying since you got back. Eh? Why the tears? What's the problem? What is it? Eh? Tell me, you know you can talk to me. I don't like seeing you like this. You know I don't like seeing you like this.
I'm finished. I'm finished.
That's what you've been saying since. Just calm okay? Cheer up. Lucy is on her way. She's coming to take us to go meet her rich parents. I told you there was something about that girl when she came and told us she's from a poor home. Someone from a poor home cannot pay our fees, cannot dash us money and even pay for this flat. My darling, this life is full of wonders. Never underestimate anyone. Don't underestimate anyone. No. At all times, don't underestimate anyone. It's good to be humble.
Please, please. Ete, just stop. Please stop. I've heard enough heartbreaking news today.
What is heartbreaking with what I just told you? Eh? Or you were not expecting her to be more than you? You started with this your jealous attitude again.
I'm finished. I saw Emma, my ex-boyfriend, on the road. I said, Emma is not rich. Hey.
I told you not to judge him. I told you you're not his God. I told you to give him a chance. Now see this big opportunity you have missed. You've missed this. It's okay. Just calm down, okay? Where there is life, there is hope.
There's no life. Wait.
What are you not telling me?
Emma drives a good car. In fact, the worst part that he's not married. Now I can't take it anymore.
It's okay, I understand. It's painful. It's okay. Rita, what are you not telling me?
No, Etta, I'm finished. Etta, it's not true. No, Etta, it's not true. I'm finished.
You're not. Just tell me what is going on. No. You're scaring me. I don't get you.
No, it's not true. No, it's not true.
Talk to me now, please. Stop crying. Talk to me. I'm your friend.
Okay. I've been... Hey. I've been down for some days now.
I know. So? I went to the hospital for checkup. And no, it's not true. What is it? Come out with it already.
No, I'm finished. It appears that I have HIV.
Blood of Jesus!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I warned you. What have you done?
I got HIV when I was trying to sleep with the man I thought Lucy was sleeping with. Netta, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I warned you. What have you done to yourself?
Please forgive me, I'm sorry. Please.
Listen to me. It's not the end of the world, okay? When there's life, there is hope. At least the first face is gone now. You know your status. Okay? There are drugs. Yeah. There are drugs you can take, and you will live like every normal woman. Okay? And I am here, and I will be by your side.
Now for Paul. Stop telling me to forgive that man. Do you know what that man did to me and my child?
Angela, I know everything. I know.
Then stop telling me. Stop asking me. Because I can't. Yes, I can't. That man hurt me badly. You want me to forgive him? No, I can't. No, I can't! But you know what? I wish him good. I wish him good. Anything he's doing, I wish him well.
It's okay, please. I understand. Come in. The door is not locked.
Wow, Cynthia. Angela. How are you doing today? I'm fine. I can see you're good. Kaima, how are you doing today?
Fine.
I can see you're doing good. Cynthia, I just want to say a very big thank you to you for taking care of my people here. Angela, I'm here and I'm here with you. Please.
Cynthia, I can see both of you work this out. I can see both of you plan this. I'm sorry. I am sorry to disappoint both of you. I don't want to talk to that man. I don't want to talk to him! Do you like saying my tears all the time? No. Do you like saying my tears?
Thank God that he's been able to recover all that now. But his life can't be complete without you and your beautiful daughter here. You know that? Listen. He has seen his errors and is willing to change. For the sake of your daughter here and God, please, I beg of you to take him back.
No! Chide, I can't forgive that man. I will never! You know what he did to me! Get out. Get out!
Angela, please.
I don't want to see you. Just leave her.
And you just have to listen to him.
No.
Please.
I can't listen to this man. This man is devil. This man is wicked.
It's okay, Angela. It's okay, please. Forgive him. For the sake of your daughter, please. Forgive. It's okay. I know you want to protect your daughters.
All the money, my money, all the suffering. Give up to waste. I give up to waste.
You my man. Let's celebrate.
Give up to waste. I give up to waste. I see the leaf. Watch your level. Watch your business. Bobelas, Batobelenko, Inugo, Makanukwas, Yabatanukwanko. When the match yet go.